Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing something beneficial. I decided I want to show you guys a method that I use for my box braids when it's itching. So if you guys are interested, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you can't, comment in the comment section down below. Just follow me in my social media listed in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm going to give y'all the products that I use that doesn't make my hair itch, or it relieves it whenever my hair itch for when I have box braids. So yeah. First, I'm going to use my favorite Cream of Nature coconut milk. It has 7 essential oils. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. So yeah, and it has 7 oils in this bottle. Next, I'm going to use a natural oil, 2 natural oils. They came from the same company. It's called Rinse. I'm gonna put it in the description box down below so you guys can check them out. These products are natural, and when I tell y'all, you can use this all over your body, wherever you want to, like your face, skin, nails, all over your body. So yeah, I had got the tea tree I had got the tea tree oil and the rosemary oil. So yeah guys, I'll leave these 2 in the description box and their website so you guys can check them out and see all their natural products. So yeah, I'm going to be mixing these. I'm going to be mixing these in the spray bottle. I'd rather use the one that, like, there's a bottle that, never mind. I'm going to use this in the spray bottle. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to open this and just pour. I'm not going to use a lot, so I'm just going to pour like I'm just going to pour like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons in there. And then these oils come in like droplets. So it says you can use 2 droplets for whatever you're going to use. So I'm going to put 2 drops in there. 1, 2, and they speed out. So that was the rosemary. And this one is the tea tree oil. So I'm going to put 2 drops of tea tree oil. And then the rest of the part, I'm going to add water to fill up the. And then you just close it up and shake all the product in there. And I use this little spray bottle. You can use a big one, but it's just for box braids, and it just sprays. It sprays on. So I'm going to spray it in the like where it itch, and this feels so good. I'm trying to spray it everywhere. You just spray wherever it itch. So like my whole head is itching, so I'm just going to spray this on it. And it feels so good. Now the reason why I add 2 droplets of oil from this brand is because it smells strong, and you don't want your hair smelling too strong like rosemary oil or tea tree oil. It smells good actually, but you don't want your hair smelling like strong oils. This is just to relieve the itchiness in your hair when it itch. So all you want to do is spray where it itch and let it sit in there And this moisturizes your hair also, so it goes hand in hand. And I just sprayed a little bit on my hair. And another thing, if it still itch, I'm not saying my hair itch yet, but when they be itching, I just get my red tail comb and my edge control comb and just scratch it. But right now, they don't itch. But you can always use your rat tail comb or your something like this. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you comment in the comment section down below. Also subscribe to my channel. Let everybody know that you know to watch my videos and check me out on my social media. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.